Suzuki Cultus VXR 2009 EFI engine smooth drive budget hatchback. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are presenting a budget-friendly and reliable Japanese hatchback that is perfect for city driving, daily commuting, and family use. Introducing the Suzuki Cultus VXR 2009 EFI, a car that combines fuel efficiency, genuine condition, and smooth performance, making it one of the most sought-after used cars in Karachi. This Suzuki Cultus VXR 2009 comes with a genuine EFI engine, known for its smooth drive, better acceleration, and excellent fuel efficiency. The engine is in perfect condition, ensuring a reliable driving experience. For anyone searching for a genuine Suzuki Cultus, this car is a top choice. The interior of this Cultus is 100% original, well-maintained, and very clean. From the dashboard to the seats, everything is in excellent condition, giving you a comfortable and smooth driving experience. The car is ideal for daily city driving, office commutes, and small family use. From the exterior, the car has a fresh look with minor touch-ups, making it attractive and presentable on the road. The tires are new, providing safety, better grip, and long-lasting performance. The car's compact size makes it easy to drive and park in crowded city areas, while the suspension is strong, offering a smooth and comfortable ride on all roads. The gear shifting is perfect, ensuring a hassle-free driving experience. With its EFI engine, this Suzuki Cultus delivers good fuel efficiency, saving you money on petrol while giving reliable performance. The car is ideal for students, first-time car buyers, and anyone looking for a budget-friendly Japanese hatchback. This car also comes with power steering, power windows, and well-maintained interiors, making it a complete package for daily use. The Cultus VXR 2009 is famous for its low maintenance, long-lasting Japanese quality, and reliability, which means no extra work is required, just buy and drive. If you are searching for Suzuki Cultus VXR 2009 for sale in Karachi, EFI engine small cars in Pakistan, genuine used Japanese hatchback, budget-friendly city car, low-maintenance fuel-efficient car, then this video is perfect for you. Round pushpin location, Karachi. Money bag demand, PKR 9 lakh. This Suzuki Cultus VXR 2009 EFI is a well-maintained and ready-to-drive hatchback, perfect for anyone looking for a genuine Japanese car at an affordable price. If you are seriously interested, contact via inbox for more details. Don't miss this opportunity to own a genuine, smooth, and fuel-efficient Suzuki Cultus in excellent condition. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more used cars, Japanese imports, and budget-friendly cars in Pakistan. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing cars.